While it's hard to notice crime while the streets are deserted, officers are still fighting it. In fact, in New York City, 5 of the 7 major crimes tracked by the NYPD are up compared to last year. Last week alone, the city had 5 murders, same as 2019. So officers continue to put their lives on the line.
We're not superhuman. We get this disease, this virus, just like everybody else.
Working during the COVID-19 pandemic, law enforcement officers are faced with yet another risk as they head to work.
As police officers, we're used to dealing with danger, but we're really not used to having that danger follow us home to our families.
And while steps are taken to limit their exposure to COVID-19, it's not always possible.
We're also still involved in situations where we have to make arrests, and that's a hands-on situation. There's no social distancing when you got to put handcuffs on somebody.
In New Jersey, there have been at least 4 incidents where the suspect being taken into custody told the arresting officers they have coronavirus and attempted spitting or throwing bodily fluids at the officers.
I know of at least 2 incidents where we had that last week. It's much like in my years ago when we had the AIDS epidemic.
It was, pretty common for a perpetrator to tell you, "Oh, I have AIDS," and cough in your direction, or hit you with spit.
Newark police among 4 departments in the Garden State that have been patrolling the streets to make sure people are social distancing.
If we got to give you a summons because you're violating the governor's order not to be out unless it's essential, then we're only giving that ticket to save your life.
Police departments have also been flooded with non-emergency calls.
Only call 911 for emergencies right now.
So if there's no reason to call 911, don't call 911.
Another major concern for police departments is staff shortages. Here in New York City, 20% of the NYPD's workforce is currently out sick. That department has lost 13 members because of COVID-19. I'm Cristian Benavides, Pix 11 News.